Hi, we're here to set up an activity where we have the students find the angle sum of a triangle. It's a great activity, and along the way we're going to show you some of the measurement tools. So let's get started. So as you do, I like to start with a title on my page, so pick your text tool and follow along. Next, I want you to go right for the measurement tools and pick the ruler. You'll notice that you can move the ruler around by the middle 50%. And then the top quarter and the lower quarter, you can actually rotate it and get some angles out of it. Double-sided arrows mean a choice between inches and centimeters. But hands down, my favorite part is when you take a pen from your pen tray, it works as a straight edge. So no matter where you stray with your pen, it always makes a straight line, which is really great. Let's grab a triangle from the Shapes tool because they'll need something to measure with our protractor. And I'll show you some really cool qualities and properties of shapes. Okay, and just to share these really quick, we have show and hide vertices. So you'll see the circles there. You can make a triangle stretch any which way you like. There's also show and hide interior angles. So if the students want to check your work or you want to check their work, you can compare it with the interior angles. You can also show and hide side lengths. And guess what? The side lengths are actually matched to the ruler when it's launched. So you can do a physical measurement. Now once we get our protractor out, it's time for the students to do their work. So pick the protractor from the measurement tools. The center moves it. The middle resizes. And the outer quarter will rotate, and the students can go to work. Please take notice of this. When you get in position and you press the center, you'll get these arms at the end of your protractor that you can take a measurement on the protractor. And when you select the arrow, it actually delivers you an example of the angle you just created. And when your students are done, I hope they get 180 degrees as well. Have fun.